Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can check if your iPhone is hacked or not. Go to your settings and scroll down to Safari over here. Here, scroll down a little bit and enable Hide IP Address, and then turn on. Require Face ID to unlock private browsing. Then let's go to the bottom by scrolling down again and select Advanced Features over here. On this page, you will see Block All Cookies. Just simply turn it on. Enable your privacy-preserving ad measurements as well. After that, go back to Safari settings. You can see the clear history and website data. Just click that. Over here, just clear your history by clicking this one, and you're done. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.